Starting around 07 April 2024, Theta organization really is exchanging at $268 in terms of its worst rate, with a value change of 56% in very most recent 1 hour in an especially significant manner. Theta, in every way that really matters, has an essentially complete market cap of $679,722,203 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $34,112,980, in spite of mainstream thinking. This generally makes Theta organization Theta in every way that really matters, positioning at 47 in the digital currency market, which sort of is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and, considering what in a real sense is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2024, what will Theta organization generally be worth in 2024? Is Theta organization a by and large wise venture, or essentially worth purchasing in 2024 in a kind of significant manner? Will Theta cost especially outperform its unequaled high, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical? These in a real sense are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, or so they in a real sense thought. Theta organization. Theta value expectation 2024 as per the Theta organization gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Theta cost generally is supposed to fundamentally cross an exceptionally normal value level of 33.25. The normal sort of least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to especially be $3.15, which truly is very huge. Besides, Theta can especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $3.77 in a genuinely enormous manner. Theta organization value gauge April 2024 the in every practical sense. Normal cost of Theta organization Theta could essentially go to $12.64 toward the finish of April 2024, which certainly is genuinely huge. Theta could really be exchanging around an extremely greatest worth of $2.72 with the base expected cost of $0.42 in an in every practical sense significant way. Theta value conjecture May 2024. The Theta organization gauge for May 2024 expects that the Theta may truly arrive at a truly greatest worth of $2.82 with a kind of least cost of around $2.60, showing how Theta organization Theta value expectation 2024 as per the Theta organization figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Theta cost basically is supposed to cross a kind of normal value level of $3.25, the normal essentially least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to explicitly be $3.15 in a very large manner. Discussing the kind of typical value Theta can truly stretch around $0.72 for May in a very large manner. Theta organization value conjecture June 2024 the very normal cost of Theta organization Theta could commonly go to $2.80 toward the finish of June 2024. So will Theta cost truly outperform its unsurpassed high, which in a real sense is very huge? Theta could explicitly be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of $0.96 with a kind of least expected cost of $2.68, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta organization value forecast July 2024. The cost of Theta organization is especially anticipated to essentially reach at a fundamentally least worth of $0.76 in July 2024. Showing that Theta essentially has a sort of complete market cap of $2 to $679,722,203 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $34,112,980, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The Theta cost could truly arrive at a very greatest worth of $3.07 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $2.89 all through 2024. Exhibiting that sort of is Theta organization a by and large wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the truly greatest cost for Theta organization could generally stretch around $3.19, which really is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Theta in August 2024 is $2.82 with a typical cost of $2.95. Which by and large demonstrates the way that Theta could for the most part be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $2.72 with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $2.42, which really is very huge. Theta organization value figure September 2024 the truly normal cost of Theta organization Theta could truly go to $3.06 toward the finish of September 2024, which essentially is genuinely huge. Theta could explicitly be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of $3.34 with the especially least expected cost of $2.96, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta value conjecture October 2024. With respect to October 2024, Theta organization explicitly is supposed to truly arrive at any rate value worth of $302, which especially is very critical. The Theta cost could in a real sense arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $346 with a fundamentally normal cost around $313, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta value estimate November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Theta organization especially is supposed to for the most part arrive at the very least value worth of $306, which generally is genuinely huge. The Theta cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme cost of $361 with the exceptionally normal cost around $319. In an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization Theta value expectation December 2024. The cost for Theta organization in December 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $315 and $377, which really is genuinely critical. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around $325 in an unobtrusive manner, Theta organization truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Theta network's cost for the most part has shown a decent increment of 2 or 4% in the very most recent 24 hours, so Theta value estimate October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Theta organization fundamentally is supposed to in every practical sense arrive at a truly least value worth of $302. Theta organization basically is confronting an essentially tough time, jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The Theta fundamentally is down to nearly 693% in the by and large most recent 7 days, or so they basically thought. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for pretty past certainly couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have most areas of strength for certainly yet. We don't especially believe that it would a beneficial resource in fundamentally present moment, showing the way that the Theta cost could truly arrive at an especially greatest worth of $307 with a genuinely normal exchanging worth of $289 all through 2024, exhibiting that truly is Theta organization an essentially wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization value gauge 2024 facts. What will fundamentally be Theta organization, especially worth in 2024 in a by and large huge manner? The Theta cost especially is determined to in a real sense arrive at an especially greatest degree of $377 with least cost of $315 toward the finish of 2024, or so they sort of thought. Does Theta organization sort of have a future, which is genuinely critical? As far as value, Theta organization has an exceptional especially potential to generally arrive at new levels, or so they basically thought. It in a real sense is estimate that Theta will increment in esteem, which for the most part demonstrates the way that Theta could be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $0.72 with the essentially